And it actually broke down the net worth of each class from an ethnic background, and blacks decreased in the tens of thousands.
Message. It's very disappointing. I think we spend more money on clothes, cars, and vacationing than we did on investing.
Hell no.
I have a good friend who works at Neiman Marcus, and he was telling me that he actually wanted to take off work during the pandemic because this article talks about the wealth gap from 2019 to 2021.
Mm-hmm.
And everybody was getting stimmies and PPPs and
loans.
EDIL loans.
Yeah.
He said he wanted to take off work because black people came in there just throwing money down, buying shit that they ain't never owned before.
For what? Who are they trying to impress?
First of all, you couldn't go nowhere.
Couldn't go nowhere, so you dressing just to go outside on your porch.
So they bought all of the man purses to stay at home.
Yeah. I mean, they were walking outside, walking to the store. They was fly at the store, though. I know Target made a mint off those people, man.
Man, it's sad. Let me read a couple of these stats.
Okay.
It blew me away when they broke down the net worth.
Mm-hmm.
It said between 2019 and 2021, the median household net worth increased 30% to $166,900, according to new report.
Right.
The wealth of white and Asian households increased the most. For many black and Hispanics, the boost wasn't enough to lift them fully out of debt. These families are likely under greater strain that many of the factors boosted wealth during the pandemic have reversed. So the stimulus check stopped, the forbearances stopped, the student loan forbearance, the people didn't have to pay mortgages, people didn't have to pay rent, people didn't have to pay car notes. And so now that all of that has reversed, there's no stimulus checks. And during that time, it was a period where a lot of people made a lot of money, but our net worth went backwards. Let me give you some of these numbers.
We did not invest.
Nothing. Asian households held most wealth overall. Their net worth grew 43% to $320,900 in 2021. White households posted 23% increase to $250,400.
Wow.
Hispanics household net worth of $48,700, and guess what the blacks' net worth was?
I don't even want to guess.
$27,000.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
But here's the thing that I often see: we have cars in the black community that people have paid more for than their net worth.
Message.
We have hairdos, so you know those women was going out getting those packs and bundles. That's probably where the Asian net worth went up at, bro.
Hurry up and buy. Hurry up and buy. Hurry up and buy.
Look, I'm trying to keep this podcast going for a couple more months.
I'm sorry. But I'm telling you.
But these are real stats.
Nails, pack bundles with the hair.
You got a point.
Like, we got to understand, like, this, we're not investing in the right thing.
We have to learn how to invest.
Man, so we got to be more studious with our money. We got to be more entrepreneurial minded.